you were actually capable of returning to the demon world like 10 years ago. And the Grand Vizier that betrayed you is just an act for you to run away. Ara Ara. Ara Ara. There, done. Birds and the bees is when you birds and the bees is when you know when couples get together and they do and then in bed and then they go hard on and then they Next! Why are you so cute? Care to give cute advice on how to be cute? I don't know. I don't know. Become 2D. Just kidding. Hi, I'm from Malaysia. What's your favorite anime and what anime you recommend for someone too new to anime? Boku no...